When your refrigerator's crisper drawer cracks, it feels like a broken heart. Finding the right replacement part can be a headache. But the FETIONS 240,337,103 Refrigerator Bottom Crisper Drawer Pan promises a perfect fit. This replacement part is a true lifesaver for many Frigidaire Kenmore Refrigerator Crisper Pan owners. It works with many models. Furthermore, it replaces several different part numbers, including 240,337,105, 240,337,107, 240,337,108, and 240,337,109. Also, it replaces 891037, AP 2,115,849, PS 429,854, A 429854, and EAP 429,854. Therefore, it's highly versatile. This crisper drawer feels sturdy. It slides smoothly. Installation is very simple. Even better, it functions like the original drawer. Your fruits and vegetables will stay fresh. This is because the drawer maintains proper humidity. Hence, your produce lasts longer. Overall, it's a worthwhile investment. This FETIONS part brings new life to your refrigerator. It effectively replaces your old, cracked Frigidaire Kenmore Refrigerator Crisper Pan. Moreover, it saves you money. You won't need a whole new fridge. In conclusion, if your crisper drawer is failing, consider this replacement. It's an ideal solution. The FETIONS 240,337,103 is a fantastic choice. It offers excellent compatibility. Moreover, it is durable. Thus, it's built to last. Consequently, it restores full functionality. This Frigidaire Kenmore Refrigerator Crisper Pan replacement is a smart buy. It helps keep your food organized. Furthermore, it keeps your food fresh. Ultimately, it's a small change with a big impact. Pros: great replacement, perfect fit, great price, just like the OEM one, acrylic not thinner, as good as original, better material, exactly what I was looking for, great deal, fast shipping, easy to replace. Cons: item was partially in pieces, broken, was too small, drawer was for a different model, problem filtering reviews, difficult to replace. Features: bottom crisper drawer, replacement part, fits Frigidaire, fits Kenmore, replaces 240,337,105. Replaces 240,337,107. Replaces 240,337,108. Replaces 240,337,109. Replaces 891,037. Replaces AP 2,115,849. The FETIONS 240,337,103 is a replacement bottom crisper drawer for refrigerators. It fits Frigidaire and Kenmore models. This part can replace several other part numbers, including 240,337,105, 240,337,107, 240,337,108, 240,337,109, 891,037, and AP 2,115,849. This refrigerator bottom crisper drawer, model FETIONS 240,337,103, is a popular replacement part for several Frigidaire and Kenmore models. Many users found it to be a perfect fit and a good value. Comparable to the original part but sometimes made of better material. However, some customers received the item broken, found it was too small, or discovered it was for a different refrigerator model than expected.